Okay, Honda City 2008 to 2013 version, installed for Cogoo S Series, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, new product 2019, IPS screen with 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Okay, connect with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, Cogoo S Series 2GB with IPS screen. So it's multi-angle view. (2.5D HD touchscreen). Okay, Honda City 2008 to 2013. It's called OEM big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. Show for the reverse. Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, for radio. Steering control. So you can choose the frequency you want. Then save it. Change channel. Okay, volume. Back to home. Okay, nighttime driving, turn on headlight. So the light will on. Turn off headlight. Okay, full menu. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Change language. Okay, Bluetooth call. Bluetooth pairing work for call or Bluetooth music. Click for the music icon. Video input and video output. Car setting. Equalizer. So it's got a 4-band. System info. This one is 2GB RAM, DDR 2GB, and 16GB storage. Android 8.0. Okay, display. The screen resolution is 1024x600. It supports video file up to Full HD 1080p. Factory setting. Password for 8888. Okay, GPS detect. Preset volume, a brightness, nighttime brightness, setting, change your boot logo, a radio setting, and other setting. So this one reverse setting, you can not mute when reverse. Okay, this is GPS antenna to receive GPS signal. Okay, back to home. Okay, new cloud TV. You can watch the TV channel. Then actually to download app. Okay, back to home. So Android player, you can clear apps, clear it one by one, or close all. So back to home. So it's got a Play Store to download app. You can download Waze, YouTube, Spotify, or others app, or others car launcher. So this is Cogoo S Series 2GB RAM, with 16 gig storage. Model code CG-AD010S2-IPS. 10.1 inch IPS screen. Okay, with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. For Honda City 2008 to 2013. Installed by 1bis. Thank you.